Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the common size statements. Today I will tell you how to solve the common size statements of income statement, common size income statement numericals. So first of all you may see here the one balance sheet is given like the comparative. In the same manner only the tools is changed now. Now earlier you have done on the same comparative. Now I am moving to change it into the common size statement. The balance sheet is given to you in the same manner, like you have to set the first is the particulars in the same manners, profit and loss statement in the same manners, and then the note number you have to set, then the previous year figures you have to set, and then the current year figures you have to set. So the setting level of the first to the comparative and the common size profit and loss statement is the same you have to set. For the any kind of the analysis if you are doing to the 10 percentage also you have to do the same task first. The last two column is showing you the change of common size statement. For 1 year, one change of percentage is required. So it means the first column is the percentage to the revenue from operation is showing only to the previous year data. And the last column is showing the percentage to the revenue from operation of the current year's data. Here no increase and decrease figures will be calculated. First, set the particulars like revenue from operation, then other income is to be added, calculate the total revenue, and then deduct the total expenses and calculate the profit before tax, and then deduct the income tax and then calculate the profit before tax as per the given in question. Now and set the previous year figure and the current year's figure. But now I am moving to the common size statement of the profit and loss. So I am taking the figures of the previous year 2015 and 16 first. So what is the common here? Here the common is the revenue from operation, that is 60 lakh. So it means we have to take the 60 lakh in the second last column is belongs to the previous year figures. The percentage to the revenue from operation word is reference to all the percentages are to be calculated on the basis of the 60 lakh. So 60 lakh upon 60 lakh multiplied by 100 will go to the 100. So that's why it is to be assumed it is 100%. So now the 1,50,000 is to be divided by the 60 lakh. Then answer is a 2.5. Then the 61 lakh 50,000 is again divided by the 60 lakh. Means every figure of the one current year, one particular year is to be divided by the one selected base. So every figure of the previous year is to be divided by the 60 lakh. The 61 lakh 50,000 is also divided by the 60 lakh multiplied by the 100. Then answer will be the 102.5. Then 44 lakh divided by 60 lakh. Then answer is the 73.3. Then 17 lakh 50,000 divided by 60 lakh. Then 29.2. And then 6 lakh 12,500 divided by the 60 lakh, then 10.2. And then the 11 lakh 37,500 divided by the 60 lakh, then the answer is 90. You have to make focus one thing more. It means the here the question is leading. If you derive the 100% from the revenue, then the 2.5 is your other income. So the total income is 102.5 and the total expense is deducted out of the 73.3 in the percentage form. Then the profits derive only the 29.2 over the revenue from operation. And then tax is the 10.2. That means over the revenue, every data is leading towards the percentage of the revenue from operation. Then final result is the 19%. It means out of the 100, you have earned only the 19% over the revenue from operation of a one particular year. Here the answer is of previous year. So it means when you are doing the work on the previous year, you don't have the need of the any other year as well as the other firm also. So that's why the 1 year data is sufficient because the out of that the one common data is there. In the same year, same manners, the current year's figures will be calculated. Here the common is the 75 lakh. So above 75 lakh will be taken the with the every figure of the current years and divided the 75 lakh multiply by the 100, then results will be derived. And the same 1 lakh 20 divided by the 75 lakh, then 76 lakh 20,000 divided by the 75 lakh, 50 and lakh 60,000 divided by the 75 lakh, 25 lakh 60,000 divided by the 75 lakh, and then 10 lakh 24,000 divided by the 75 lakh, and then last is the 15 lakh 36,000 divided by the 75. Then results will be derived now. 100, then 1.6, and then 10.6, 67.4 and 34.2 after deducting, and the 13.6, 20.6. It means out of the current years, out of the 100 percentage, derive only the 20%. And now you may compare the data of the 1 years along with the another year. You may see the revenue is 100%, other income is 2.5, and current year is down now 1.6, and the total income of the current year is also down. By deducting the difference, you may see approximately the one, and now you may see the expenses gone down. That means this is a good sign for the organization under control, because the expenses are leading to the downside now. 67, and then in the previous year it is more, and now the 34.2 is the profit before tax, here the 29, and then that after deducting, even then the profit at the last is more, approximately by 1.6, 1.4. So I think this is the data which you can compare in the manner. So this is the common statement of income statement. Thank you.